Applications. An application problem is a math problem connected to a real situation. It's where math leaves the worksheets and starts bothering real life. A common example involves a morning temperature of 73 degrees Fahrenheit and a noon temperature of 27 degrees Fahrenheit. A question might ask about the difference between the two temperatures. We would subtract 73 minus 27. In the ones place, we can't do 3 minus 7, so the 3 borrows from the 7 that's in the tens place, making it a 6, and it becomes 13. 13 minus 7 gives us 6, and then in the tens column, 6 minus 2 gives us 4. The answer means the temperature changed by 46 degrees Fahrenheit. The unit matters because the numbers represent temperature, not just plain counts. A 46 left unsupervised without its units could mean 46 degrees or 46 cats, and both could be concerning for very different reasons. In an application problem, it helps to identify the starting amount, the amount being compared or removed, and the question being asked. If the problem asks how many more, how many fewer, how much was left, or what the difference is, subtraction is usually involved. So, suppose a library had 92 books on a display table. By the end of the day, 38 books had been checked out. How many books were still on the display table? The starting amount is 92 books. The amount removed is 38 books. The unknown amount is how many books are left. Let's let L represent the number of books left. So the equation is L equals 92 minus 38. When we do our subtraction, we start in the ones column. 2 minus 8 is not something we can do. So we borrow from the 9 and turn it into an 8, and turn our 2 into 12. 12 minus 8 equals 4. And then in the tens column, 8 minus 3 equals 5. That means 54 books were still on the display table. To check the answer, we add the difference and the number subtracted. 54 plus 38 equals 92. Here, 54 is the number left, 38 is the number checked out, and 92 is the original number of books. Since the check gives the original amount, the subtraction is correct.